Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to cover arrays in JavaScript. And in the previous video of our JavaScript tutorial we have discussed about strings in detail, and in this video we are going to cover arrays. So before getting late, let's get straight into the video. But guys, before getting into the video, make sure that you have smashed the subscribe button and drop a like, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So anyways, let's get straight into the video. So guys, first as usual we have to open our Visual Studio Code and let's create a folder. And here let's name it as arrays, and here create a file arrays.html, then again a file arrays.js, and here in HTML file we have to create a boilerplate, and here we have to link our JS file like this, and here we have to add our console.log, and for checking purposes let's add arrays and copy the file path and open the browser, paste it here, not this, and yeah, and then in the inspect menu in the console you can see arrays. That means we are good to go. So guys, arrays in JavaScript is just like an object that represents a collection of similar types of elements, and there are mainly three ways from which we can create our arrays. So the first way is by array literal, second way is creating instant of an array, and the third is using an array constructor. So let's see array literal. So the syntax, let's see the syntax for array literals. So guys, for the syntax for array literals we have to just type array and then array name, and then is equal to value 1, value 2, and so on, or not like this, and so on. And let me comment out this, and here add syntax like this. So guys, this is the syntax how we create arrays. So guys, as you can see, values are contained inside this bracket and separated by commas. And let's see guys how we can create our array. So here we can see array, variable, my array ABCDEF, and like this, so on. So guys, and let's save this file, and here let's refresh. So you will see nothing happens because we didn't print it yet. So for printing this one by one we have to add console.log, or console.log is bit like older stuff for us, so we will use alerts like this, and control is to save, and here you can see A, because we add my array, then we use the 0 index which is A, so it prints A. And if I type here 1, so now you can see we've printed with B. So guys, this is the method how we can print arrays one by one like this, like 1 2 3 4, and let's see, refresh, A B C D E, like this. So guys, I hope you understand how we print array one by one. Now let's see how we print array continuously, and you can see this code is bit bulky, not bit bulky, it is very much bulky, and and we have to add lots of efforts to create this. So here, like if I add more here like F, so we have to again create one here, so that's a big problem for us. So for resolve that problem, we have to create arrays using for loop. So let's say var I, then let's say var and our array name. So let's say array1 is equal to new array like this. Then we have to assign our arrays. So like array1, 0th one is A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then we have to create a for loop. So for that we have to just simply add for keyword, Then we have to add I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. I is greater than array1 dot length, then I plus plus, so increment, and then we have to alert our array. So let's understand this code. So we have assigned the I to 0, and we say that I is smaller than the length of this array, and then I increment, we increment I with 1. So then we print the I. So control is to save, and now let's see A, B. Oh, so for that we have to add console.log. Console.log. Control is to save and refresh the page again. And let me comment out this like this. It is bit annoying, and just refresh this. And why it is printing this again and again? Okay, we have an error. So let me fix this really quick. So guys, I understand the issue, the error. So the error was we have to make this a capital. Control is to save, and now just to refresh the page. So here you can see we are printing ABCD and our array sequence wise. So guys, I hope you understand how to print a for loop, how to print arrays with for loop, and you understand about the concept of arrays. So guys, I hope you understand arrays, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more about JavaScript. For that, bye bye, see you later, and also take care.